Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to convert academic research papers into flexible websites completely free of charge using two different AI tools. So the AI tool number one that we're going to use is NotebookLM, which you can access by coming to notebooklm.google.com, and it will bring you over here. Now you have to create a new notebook either by coming here or by coming down here. You can create a new notebook. In new notebook, you have to go ahead and search directly either the web or your drive, or you can do fast or deep research directly from in here, or you can just type in the question and it's going to fetch in the sources directly. Now for this case, you have the option to upload files, websites, URLs if you have, or you can use Drive or copy text. For this example, I'm going to upload a file, my papers in here. So I have these 5 papers differently on hydropower generation, transmission, and distribution. So I'm going to upload all of them as my sources in here, and I'm going to use this to create that website. So let's just give this some seconds to finish synthesizing and uploading my sources into the NotebookLM platform. Alright, and as you can see, it has just uploaded all the sources, and I have the liberty to include or deselect any of the sources that I'm interested in deselecting or removing or adding. You can add more sources also if you're interested, if you have any other source that you want to add. But for this, I want to maintain these 5 documents, and you can see hydropower and the world energy feature. So you can go ahead and create that website using another AI tool. So let's say you can rename your notebook over here. If you want to rename it, you can rename it also for ease of recognition. So the next phase is to open that next AI tool, which is Google Gemini, and access it by coming to gemini.google.com as well. You have to log in with your account. Make sure it is the same account that you have logged in with the NotebookLM, so you can easily access it. So once you're here and you've logged in, you've created a new chat, you can always come to this plus sign and you can see NotebookLM directly in here. So you have to link that notebook that you have created in the other notebook platform, which is this one, hydropower and the world energy feature. So you select it and then you include it. So now bringing it in, you can now write a complete text prompt that you can use this to convert this into an interactive website. Okay, can you help me convert this into an interactive website with clean visuals and catchy text and good branding? So let's see what this is going to come up with. But then you have to make sure you select the canvas mode, and in here you go with the thinking mode or the pro mode. So let's go ahead and generate this, and let's see what this is going to generate for us. Alright, and as you can see, it has just generated the website for us. You can have a look and you can move and navigate through to see what it has generated for us. Very, very good quality in terms of the website that it has created. Take a look. And Africa's clean energy renaissance, explore SSA data, and so on. Contact experts and download report bundle. So I like the idea, I like the website, the even nature of the logo that it has added in here. You can move across, you can click to kind of navigate through and check in the content possibly inside the website that it has generated, and click the get started feature also possibly when you launch it. But one thing to note is that you can go ahead and share this. Go ahead and share, and you can copy the link in here and you can share on these platforms, or you can open another browser and then you can just paste it in there and be able to see that particular website that you have just created. The only thing is that you need to log in with a Gmail account so that you can be signed in. Alright, so when you paste it in here, it is now going to open that website directly. Right, and you can see it perfectly generated, very, very wonderfully created. You can see the website, very interesting and very, very well generated. So you can go ahead and create your own, depending on what you are trying to generate. You can create your own website very easily with these two AI tools combined. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of Google Gemini and NotebookLM to convert your research papers into websites completely free of charge. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.